So guys, we're back again for another Homebrew Wednesday. Today I'm going to quickly show you how I made my strawberry turbo cider. And then obviously we'll run through a taster as well. Because it's been around about 6 weeks since I first started the process. It's only been in the keg maybe 30 hours, something like that. But I've hit up to 40 psi. Just cranked, just been burping it and turning it down, so we're going to draw one off. Give the video a quick watch, only about 2 minutes long, as I do with my standard videos. Got myself a proper cider glass, Green Goblin. I'm going to go fill this up and then we'll run for a taster. See you in a minute.
Cool.
So we're back. This is actually my second pint from where you just saw me pouring it. My good lady has come home. She decided to take over this work service and put some flowers in a vase like someone bought her from work. Who knows, eh? Anyway, there's carbonation, but there's no head there. It dissipated quickly. Maybe that's because it's only been in the keg 30 hours, forced carbon. Probably I need to up the pressure a bit as I'm serving it, which I'll test that out this evening, obviously. But I did put quite a few in bottles before I kegged it with a teaspoon of sugar. So I'll see how that works out in around about a few weeks' time. And a couple of them they'll be going out in the beer mail as well. One actually went out today. So let's talk about it. As you can see, carbonation is slightly there. Got a great colour on it. Has the strawberries really added much to the colour? Slightly, I think slightly. Nothing too much if I'm honest. Because your concentrated apple juice, you've all seen how dark it is. What I'm looking at is more or less bang on with the camera. This aroma, you do have a sharpness of the apples, but like I say, what we're chucking 20 litres of apple juice. There ain't much strawberry there at all. I did bang, what was it, 2 kilos of strawberries in secondary for another 10 days. I tell you something, fruit, after it's been in secondary for like a week, 10 days, don't it look bloody wrong when you're pulling it out? It does look wrong, I know. Taste wise though, you've got a dryness of the apple, you know, that's there. Strawberry, am I getting strawberry? I am getting strawberry, but it's more of a, you know, like a nice soft tone of a strawberry. As strawberries are, you know, they are nice and juicy, but I did buy these, I think, in March time, the Moroccan strawberries in the bargain bin in Sainsbury's. So they're not as juicy as British strawberries. If maybe I waited now and the strawberries were all out, may have had a different impact on the flavour, but I wanted to do this style for quite a long time now. Strawberry turbo cider, because I've seen quite a few guys do it, you know, on here. But this is obviously my take on it. Maybe it would have benefited from like some strawberry concentrate and some strawberry syrup, as most folk do like that, don't they? They throw the syrups in, and when they're making like a raspberry cider and stuff like that. But I just wanted to use fresh fruit because I got it bloody cheap. But you can still get it, you really can. But it's just not overpowering in your face. But it is, sorry, a very, very nice pint. A really nice drop indeed. It is, the strawberry does come through more and more now. I can really pick it up, but it's just not punching in your face. I'm going to sing quite a few of these tonight, I think. I might work at 6 in the morning, so I need to be careful. Guys, strawberry turbo cider, carton to glass. Hope you enjoyed that. Happy Homebrew Wednesday, and we'll come back for an update next week. I've actually bought a kit today. I don't do kit beers, as most of you know, but it was half price. Check me out next week. See you guys.